everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression slash unboxing of my February Boxycharm box. So for those of you that may not know what Boxycharm is, it's actually a subscription service. You pay $21 a month and in the box you get about 5 full-size makeup products. So it just really gives you a chance to try out all kinds of different makeup brands and different products that you may not buy otherwise and not have to pay that full cost of it. So for $21 you get a box full of makeup items that's worth way more than the $21 that you spent. So it's really awesome to just try out some new things. Today I used all the products that came in the Boxycharm for February in this makeup look that I have here, just to kind of try them out and see how they work. So let's get started and I'll show you what's came in the box. So to start, one of the first products we got is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is in the shade Amethyst and I think this is such a pretty product. I had seen it on just like different Instagram photos and in Sephora, and I really wanted to try it out, but I wasn't sure if I would like it that much, so I didn't want to spend the money on it. This product retails at $28, so this one alone covers what the cost of the box is, and it's such a pretty color as well. So this is that shade there, that Shimmer Veil. You can see it's a really pretty like lavender color and very glittery. It does dry very quickly, so I used it on my eyes and I noticed while putting it on you do have to like blend it out and get it where you want it to go very quickly, otherwise it's just gonna dry and stay put right where you have it. So that's just one thing to keep in mind if you use this product. The next product that we got is actually these crown brushes. They're dirty because I used them in my makeup today, so I'm sorry about that. But just a set of these 3 brushes, these retail at $30. So you got the Shimmer Veil, you got the brushes. Again, like I said, you're way over that value that you spent on the box. These are such a like soft brushes. I'm still kind of determining how I like them when using them on my face. What's crazy is they really remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes. So those are these ones here. If you can see, it looks like literally the same brush. It's just like a different brand, but they seem nice. I'll definitely keep using them and trying them out. I'm always a fan of getting new brushes and finding ones that I like, so those are a really good one there. And then the next product that we got is actually this Vintage Cosmetics eyeliner pencil. This is in the shade Jet Black, and this one retails at $21. I use this in my underline and just kind of smoked it out to give a little bit more of a smoky eye look, and it seems to be working well. My biggest problem that I have with eyeliner pencils is I always have the problem of them kind of running, so I'll kind of use this and see how it works, see if it does run like I've had issues with other eyeliner pencils. Hopefully not. Hopefully this one works out great. And then the next product that we got is actually this right here. This is by Sarafine Botanicals. It's a sugar and lemon moisturizing lip buffer. This retails at $24. It comes in this cute little packaging here, and then you take it apart and it's just this little bottle here, and you just rub it all over your lips until the sugar dissolves, and it's supposed to make your lips a lot softer. I used it today before I put on my lipstick and I really liked it. I really like lip scrubs, and it's hard finding one that seems to really do the job because I get really dry skin, dry lips during the winter time. So this seems to like really help smooth that out, and I'll definitely keep using it. I really like that product. And then finally, the final product that we got in our Boxycharm this month, or at least I got in my version, is this product right here. It's a Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter palette, and this has 6 different shades of highlighters in there, just kind of bright colored shades there, and they are so pretty. I used all 6 shades today, something most people probably will not normally do. I know I will not normally use 6 different shades of highlighter, but I just wanted to try them out and see how they looked. They definitely do show up with the color pretty significantly. I put like the purple one right here on my highlight. I used the pink a little bit, sort of like a blush. I put the blue like right into my inner corners. But they're very pretty and they blend out really well as well. This retails at $40 and you can see the packaging is so pretty to me too. Just that like holographic, colorful. And then also this month, just as kind of like an extra, we got this 20% off coupon. So it's just something really cool there. It's 20% off on CoverFX website. I've tried a couple of their products, so I definitely will be using that coupon and finding something new to try. But all in all, this box, the total of the box came out to, let's see, $143. So all that product, $143 worth of makeup for only $21. It's definitely a really good deal. Like I said, plus it's just really nice to try out new makeup brands, new makeup products that you might not be sure if you want to try out, or you just might not want to spend the money on quite yet. So it gives you a chance to really try all those out. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I did put a link down below, so you can go ahead and use that link to subscribe for yourself. I've seen that they do have a little bit of a wait list, but typically you get off that wait list pretty quickly, so go ahead and check it out. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!